Yeah, today is 14 October 2020. Yeah, the day that my wife she tried to make a domestic violence on me, and she's been doing this for a long time, like a slave at home. So I called police. She too called police, but later police realized that she's lying. So, and the police asked me to pack all my stuff. Now I'm waiting for the cab to come. So with no destination at the moment, so I'm taking all this stuff to my working place first, because I just finished work this morning. I haven't slept. She started again, and to avoid any problem, to avoid any criminal problem. So that's why. So police, just left now. So this is our house. So this is all my stuff. 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 And this is our house. This is our house, 21 Second Avenue. 21 Second Avenue, Dagenham. So, yeah. So, today is the 14th October 2020 that I left this place now because of her violence towards me for a long time, because of my status with her. She always said she will implicate me, she will put me in prison, she will make me lose my license, blah blah, all the time, slapping, whatever, many abuse, like a slave in the house. I can't bring any friends in, and I'm paying the mortgage money for her every month. So I clean all the house, everything, but this woman, I don't know whether she have a mental trouble. I don't know what I do for her, but I'm happy that the police take me out, because I'm trying this thing for a long time, to be out from this house, but I can't do it by myself without the police. So I thank God that police came. So I'm free. I'm free. You see me? See, I haven't slept. I finished work this morning, 7. I got my around 8:30. So until now I haven't slept. See, this is all my stuff. Even I see there are a lot of my stuff inside, but I left it because of the cab. It would be too much, but I gave her the rest. So I don't know my destination for now. We have to sleep, nothing. I'm homeless for now. I don't know what to do. Waiting for the cab. So this is my stuff. Thank God. So this is all my stuff. Yeah. This is a car. This is a car. So. I thank God that I'm free today. I have peace of mind in my life. This torture from this woman is too much. It's too much for me. I'm like a slave in the house. All my blood pressure all the time. I thank God. Glory be to God. I'm hurt at the presence of the police. Thank you, Lord.